Hey fellow backyard warriors, Nick here. Today I'm going to show you how I made this sword out of PVC. This has a 24-inch blade and a guard that protects the fingers. It's made of half-inch Schedule 40 PVC pipe. This one is made with furniture grade pipe. This is the one we're going to be making today. The guard is electrical conduit and half-inch, and the handle is 3/4-inch Schedule 40 furniture grade pipe. And this is made the exact same way, just with a little difference in the handle. And it uses electrical conduit for the blade, guard, and plumbing pipe for the handle. So here they are. Let's get started. I'll put a little bit of a curve in here. All right, so here it is. So now I'm going to go ahead, shape this tip, and then work on shaping this handle. So here's the handle after shaping, just to make it nice and oval. So when we put the next layer of handle, it'll sit nicely in the hand. There's the tip. So I've got a piece of half-inch electrical conduit. I'm going to heat this up, flatten it completely, and then cut it off at 10 inches. So now I mark an inch on the inside and outside of these. This here really close to the edge, about half an inch away. And up here, about 1.5 inches away from the end. So I'm going to heat these up, cut them with a knife until I can get this all the way through. Then I'm going to heat this up and place it onto the pipe. So now I'm going to go and grind these flat so we can place our handle piece in here. So here's the guard. Now I'm going to take this piece of Schedule 40 furniture grade pipe, heat it up, place it on here on the handle. So before you do that, I'm going to take everything off, put a little bit of glue on here, hot melt glue, and then heat it up, slide this on, and then the back. Here we go. There we go. I've got it to the end. I'm going to go ahead and crimp the end here. As close as I can to the end. This is going to help hold the handle together. Right, so you can see these edges here are holding this in place. So the glue is not holding this handle together. It's this piece here. Now I'm going to cut this off and clean it with files. Here's the sword all finished up. I went ahead and I made another one. This one's made out of electrical conduit instead of furniture grade. For the second one, I just changed the guard a little bit, but other than that, they're pretty much identical, down to the same length and the same weight. So here it is. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.